Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to price, how much to invest, how to buy it at wholesale, and how to sell it. Let me get ready and let's get to work. In this video, this is a very quick video that I wanted to share with you guys. I have been working lately with epoxy resin, and I'm really enjoying doing things with it. So I decided to try this product. I know it says that it is a marine epoxy, but it also helps with the letters, whatever crafts that we're going to do with resin. And here's a picture of what I made with it. It is that it comes with the two spatulas with two measuring cups and two other white like spatulas, or to help you with mixing the resin. It's the same as all the other ones, 1 ounce to 1 ounce, just 1 to 1. One of the things that I really like about this product is that it doesn't smell. It has no smell whatsoever, so you can use it indoors or outdoors. You can use it for a lot of things. One of the things that I really like about it is that when you mix it, it doesn't generate a lot of bubbles. It's very minimal, and the bubbles dilute really quickly, faster than other ones. So that's really another benefit of it. It's this product is fully UV resistant, so if you want to cure it under an UV light, you can do that. It gets I noticed one thing is that once you mix it and put it where in your design, it gets drier and it cures faster than other ones. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a video right after this one, testing it again in front of you so that you can see it in the camera. But I really like no smell, is UV resistant, it cures quicker, it doesn't develop a lot of bubbles, so I really like it. So 1 ounce of each equals to $2.18. That's the cost per ounce. Okay, so you get one when you mix 1 ounce of the resin and 1 ounce of the hardener, so you have 2 ounces, and that's your investment of $2.18. So I don't think it's too bad. So you can read also on the screen, but don't worry about it. Try it, use it. It's really nice. And out of all the other resins that I have tried, this is the one I like the most, for all the reasons that I told you before. So, well, thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed, I will appreciate it if you do like and share. Other than that, the next video, we're going to go ahead and try it so you can see how it works. But may the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.